So this is the train. Of course, this is not the train which we are taking. Just showing the picture of the train. And here they are taking the tickets. The ticket is in this kiosk. They have to buy. And
Have you noticed all the station have two names? All the station has two names.
Finavia. No.
Yeah, see. On this thing it shows what are the stations.
Acha.
So airport, we are here at airport.
Okay.
See there it says Lento Saima. Lento Asama. Lento Asema. Okay? Underneath that, Fligsparten. Then airport. Then some of them it is one name only. Aviapolis, Visto. Then Vehkala is also Vehkal.
Oh.
Vanta Skoski is also Vanda Sportsen. Lohela.
Finavia. This is the airport, Helsinki airport. And our train will come on this platform. Which is this platform number 2?